Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we are going to unbox this microphone that I've just bought to start up my YouTube channel here. This is the Technica ATR2500 USB version. So inside the box it comes with the mic itself, a wire, a mic stand and a mic holder here. So here are some of the specs here, including plug and play operation. You don't need any special driver. And there's a large diaphragm studio condenser microphone with USB output for easy connection to your computer. So the reason I bought this is because it's the cheapest branded mic I can find, and it comes with USB, because most of the other one may come with like all those audio jack that normally PC doesn't support. So it says that this is ideal for podcasting, home studio recording, field recording and voiceover use. And it has a built-in headphone jack and a headphone volume control. We'll get to that later on. 16-bit resolution, 44.1 to 48 kHz sampling rate, Windows and Mac compatible, so you can use it on Windows or Apple, and includes instruction for downloading free software. I wonder what software we have. Let's go to the specification here. As you can see, it's a condenser type of cardioid, 30 to 15,000 Hz, USB power 16-bit. You can see those dimensions. USB type connector. There's a headphone output as well. Headphone jack. Like I said, it includes the pivoting stand mount, threaded stands, tripod desk stand, and mini USB cable. And these are the system requirements. So let's take a look at the other side of the box here. There's nothing here and here. Without further ado, let's go and unbox this. The box is a bit damaged due to the shipping guys there, and the seller didn't wrap it well. By the way, I got this for around 200 ringgit, which is about 50 USD dollar, and which the seller coupled it with the pop filter and the microphone stand so that I can attach it to my table here. So our plastic inside here. There we go. Let's take the aside. So this is what's inside, and the menu is actually at the back. Let's see. So it actually looks like this when it stands up, but I don't want to stand like this because it blocks my view, so I bought a stand to clip it onto my table here. Here it teaches you how to set it out, how to test it. So this mic itself is close to 360 grams here. It's quite heavy, I must say. Here is the wire here. Wow, the wire is pretty thick though. Here's the USB head, and here is the, I'm not sure what this is called, but this is usually used for printer, but surprisingly we see it on mic as well. And the wire is pretty thick, very long as well. I think it's 1 or 2 meters long. And here is the stand itself, which is quite light. I'm not sure how sturdy it is, but it does have rubber fit that makes it grip onto the surface very sturdy, but it does feel like it can break off at any time. And here is the mic stand here. I'll look into how to use this later on. I'm not entirely sure how to use this, but oh, okay. So basically you just need to attach this to your tripod stand. These are all plastic though, so they feel a bit cheap, but as long as it gets the job done, I don't mind. It's all plastic. Now we get to our good part here, and here is the mic itself. It's actually very heavy though, even though it says 350 gram. I'm not sure, but it's actually all metal, all aluminum, except for these buttons here. This is definitely the plastic part, but it does feel very good quality, I must say. You can see the USB version, the volume up and down, and the headphone jack here, USB on the bottom here. So look like this, and then you need to put this down. So it actually comes on like this, like so, and it stands. Doesn't feel so sturdy though, I must say, but yeah, I mean, The stand is too light for this to support this this half door, honestly. Like if you pushed it accidentally, it might fall like so. So I think it's really better to buy those stands. And once the cover, you need to cover like this. So if you put this in front of your face playing your game, it does feel like it blocks your view here though. So that's all for me, guys, and watch out for my next video. Please subscribe and share with your friends, and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.